Hey guys, Josh Wiesner here, professional fisherman, owner of the Boat Dock, and owner of HotShotCustoms.com. Today I have a special treat for you, and I have two of my favorite girls in the whole wide world here.
Kinsey
and
Josie.
And today we're gonna make
Venison Bacon Burgers.
Stay tuned. Welcome back. Hey, I'm going to apologize about our basement mess. We got a basement remodel going on, and I've got boards and deer heads, and it's a disaster down here. But we don't need much room, and today we're going to show you how to make venison bacon burgers. Huge hit in our house. We're really big into the hunting in this family, and generally we shoot enough deer to make our own hot sticks, summer sausage, jerky, I mean all kinds of stuff. So the bacon burgers are a huge hit. When they run out, the kids are not happy. So super easy for you to make yourself, and you don't necessarily just need to make just venison. You could make just beef and bacon burgers, but today we're doing the venison combo. So not many tools. Grinder, this is a Weston 1 horsepower. I've got a 4.5 millimeter grinder plate on here. This is a patty press, and you wouldn't necessarily need that. You could just mash them down with your hand and put them in this plastic paper. Freezer paper to wrap everything up when you're done. These are burger plastics that we're going to individually pack each one, so when they're frozen and you're ready to make them, you literally just peel off the plastic and put them on the grill or the stove, whatever you want to do. And then we're going to do 9 pounds today, and we got 3 pounds of bacon. We have 1 pound of just ground beef, and that has 27% fat in it. And then we have 5 pounds of venison. So we're gonna grind our bacon up, and then we're gonna regrind the meat and make these into patties and show you how easy it is and how fun it is for the kids to help, and then they get to eat them too. So stay tuned, here we go. Alright girls, what are the 2 top tips for making your own meat?
The first tip is always make sure your hands are clean, or you can wear rubber gloves to help you. Step 2 is make sure your meat is cold. Always keep your hand away from the grinder, even though there is a protective plate. If your hand somehow gets down there, it'll cut your finger right off.
Okay, we're done grinding. Kinsey, what are you doing now?
Right now we are mixing up the meat. And basically what we are doing is mixing the venison, the beef, and the bacon all together. Yum.
Pretty easy. That'll all combine together nice, and then after this we're simply making patties, and we're just about done.
This is what your meat should end up looking like.
Okay, we got Josie making burger balls. Kinsey's putting them in the press, and this is what they end up looking like.
Really strong.
Gotta be tough for that. This is what they look like. So when they're frozen, you're gonna these peel right off when they're frozen, and you just pop them on the grill or in a stove or whatever. So it's a team effort here. And you can make them with these presses, you can make them whatever size you want. You just adjust it with this threaded piece. So it works out really good. Sheet goes down, ball goes on top, another sheet on top. Smush it a little bit with your hand, and then push down on both. And voila, making burgers. Alright, we are all wrapped up. Didn't take that long. It probably only took, I would say, 15-20 minutes total. So crazy fast and easy to make some quality burgers. We just wrap these in the, yeah, that's my wrap job, so that's why I don't wrap presents at home. So you don't have to get crazy with this. They're wrapped up nice and they'll last quite a long time actually. But super easy. Hopefully you enjoyed this little video. Hopefully it helps out at home. Hopefully it makes it easier to take care of the kids at home when they're screaming and crying, they're hungry. So otherwise we will we'll see you in the next video.